Good day, children. I am teacher Sulin Rodrigues. I hope all of you are fine and keeping in good health by the grace of God. Today we will be doing report writing. Now, what is a report? A report is nothing but a written account of something that has happened in the past. It is an account of something that one has observed or seen somewhere, or heard somewhere, or investigated or taken part in. It is a well organized presentation of facts that have taken place somewhere. Now, what is the purpose of a report? A report helps in recording important events that take place in society. It attempts to present first hand information about the various incidents and events that are taking place. Now, there are some general rules that one needs to follow in order to write a good report. Generally, a headline is given and the report is written based on this headline. The length of the report should not exceed three-fourths of a full scape. The report should be written in the past tense. The report should be written using the passive form of construction of the verb. Like, for example, instead of saying, the school organized an exhibition cum sale of books, you would say, an exhibition cum sale of books was organized by the school. The language used should be formal in tone, it should be polite and courteous. The report should be written in a more descriptive manner, describing the entire event in short. Only very significant and important details must be reported. Your personal opinions about the event should not be given. Only a general observation should be made. For example, you must not say, I enjoyed the event, or I did this, or I did that. Instead, you would say, the participants enjoyed the program. So it's a general observation of that entire event. Let us have a look at the format of a good report. Like I said, it begins with the title. Now, the title is the heading. Generally, a heading that is given and your title is based on that. If a heading is not provided, you should provide a suitable title which conveys the gist of the report. That is, it tells you, the reader, what the report is all about in very few words. Like, for example, in this report that you have here, a heading is given, and based on that heading, you have your title. This is followed by the dateline and the byline. Now, between the title and the dateline and the byline, there's a line left to make your report look a little neater. This is the only place where a line is left. Now, what is the dateline? It comprises of the place, the day, and the month when the event is being reported. This date is usually a later date from when the event took place. On the same line, you also have the byline indicating who is reporting this event. Like in this report over here, you have the date line and the byline. The date line indicating the place and the date when this report is being written, and the byline indicating who is reporting. You then begin the report. The report is written in a paragraph format. Usually, It comprises of three paragraphs. The first paragraph contains details like what was the event, where it took place, who organized it, for whom was it being organized, when was the event held, and other details pertaining to the initial stages of the event. Like if you have a look at this report, you will see who has organized this event. What was this event? For whom was this event organized? Also, you have details like the duration of the event. Now, you should make a note over here. The duration of the event could be written in the first paragraph or could even be written in the second paragraph of the report. Then you have the second paragraph. It talks in short about other details like the purpose behind organizing the event and the various proceedings of the event. Again, if you have a look at this report, you will see you have an entire second paragraph mentioning the purpose why this event was held over here to create an awareness among the students. Also, the proceedings of the event are relayed over here, like the event commenced, then it was followed by a talk on the objectives, and that was followed by a demonstration. So, the various proceedings of the event have been described over here. Then you come to the last paragraph of the report. This concluding paragraph begins winding up the report. Over here, if you see, you make statements that show how the event ended, what were the reactions of those involved, whether the event was successful in achieving what it set out to do, etc. All those things are mentioned over here. So, this is how you write a good report. Here you have another example of a report given to you. For your assignment, you will write a report on each of these topics that have been given to you, keeping in mind the rules that have been given and the format that has been given. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.